I've tested hundreds of AI tools this year, and all of them fail at one thing that actually ruins your content. But I've just found a new tool that will help you solve it and will actually upgrade your business's visual content. So let's dive into it. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about RevArt and how it can actually upgrade your business's visual effects. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Let's go. Okay, guys. As you can see, I'm logged into RevArt right now, so please make sure that you go to app.rev.com. I just want to make sure you go to the official website, not any other. So this is where you're going to take your business's visual content to the next level. So starting off with the dashboard, it's a clean and modern design, not a lot of clutter, so you're not going to be confused and you'll get straight to the point. So on the right, this is where you're going to upload or edit your images. You have folders right here, your work, and this is where you can create more folders. Plus, you can get some inspiration from other people as well. As you can see, going through these images, they look pretty cool. So I'm going to talk about exactly what it is and how to use it. So without further ado, let's get started. RevArt is a new release, and it's a completely from the ground up, from scratch AI image model. In recent tests, it's actually been outperforming big names like Midjourney and Flux. It's been outperforming them in these industries, and it's doing really, really well for something that's brand new, like this ground-up AI image builder. Basically, what it does is render high-fidelity images like this at lightning speed, without needing a bunch of complicated settings or any back-end code. That's pretty cool because you don't have to make it complicated. It works on its own. So that's great because it's not really complicated. So if you're a beginner, this is perfect too if you want to use it and build an AI image from scratch. Usually in the AI image generator industry, when you ask an AI image generator to add text, it just puts in gibberish. So most AI image generators produce gibberish when you ask them to include text, which should be really simple. And that's the problem we have in this industry with AI image generators. And that's where Rev comes in with the solution. It actually nails the typography, and it can create clear English text for social media ads and other things. It's also very legible. So as you can see, for a social media ad like this, it can create good text, even for things like a magazine cover. And this is actually great because instead of having to jump into Photoshop, add the text, and waste time, you can now do it with Rev without spending that extra time. You can just simply add the text directly onto your AI image instead of having to go into Photoshop, do it all by hand, and just end up wasting your time. That's why Rev is actually so good. Not only will it make your life easier, but it will also save you a lot of time. And no more guessing, because Rev's prompt is actually amazing. You can decide what goes in the foreground, the background, how the image should look, so you just have to upgrade. So you just have to upload that to the prompt or type it into the prompt, and the AI will actually listen to you. It won't just blend everything together into a mix. It'll actually structure it. As you can see right here, modern social media ad style, blue tones, young professional. As you can see, it did a perfect job. We didn't ask it to add text yet, so we can do that later by just adding instructions. And it did it perfectly. So we can decide what goes in the foreground, the middle ground, and the background, as well as the style, and it's not just going to mix random things together. And it's really great because the prompt feature can actually get really, really complex, and it'll handle it perfectly. So for example, you can type in that you want an image in a 1950s comic style, and it will generate that and get it right on the first try. That's what's great about Rev. You can be a beginner or a professional, and you'll still be able to use it, because Rev doesn't limit how complicated or complex you want to get. The only limit is your own creativity. So now I'm going to go back to the home screen. As you can see, I'm going to scroll through some of the inspiration. So this is everything that's been created with Rev, and here's something great about it. So you no longer need to hire a social media agency, a designer, an editor, or anyone else to create social media content for you, because now you can do all of this yourself with Reverend. It'll save you both time and money since you won't have to hire someone to do it for you. Okay, guys, another great thing is that they offer free credits every day. So you can actually go right now and speed up your content creation workflow. Do it now because you can get free credits daily without spending a dime. And that's literally how easy it is to use Reverend. It's honestly a game changer, guys. I've been using it for a long time now, so make sure to go check them out for yourself. If you want to stop struggling with clunky AI generators and start creating flawless, text perfect images in seconds, head to the link in the description and try out RevArt today. Watch your content quality skyrocket. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers!